Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting immediately. Check Android version and available storage because Play requires space and compatible OS. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. If Play was removed and you plan to sideload, temporarily enable unknown sources in settings. Only do this for the official APK you'll download. Once done, reboot the device so system services refresh. This reduces conflicts when installing core Google services and avoids simple permission errors later. Now reinstall the core components in the right order: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then Google Play Store. Choose the APK builds that match your Android version and CPU architecture. Mismatches cause crashes. Use a trusted APK source and tap Install. Accept runtime permissions when prompted. After each core component install, reboot the device to ensure background services register correctly. Once the three are installed and the device restarts, open Play once to let it update components automatically. To finish, open Google Play and sign in. Allow it a few minutes to sync and update. If you see errors, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store and clear cache and storage, then reopen. If Play still fails, force stop and update Google Play services, then reboot. For persistent account or service errors, remove and re-add your Google account. Only consider a factory reset as a final step. Backup photos and contacts first, because resetting will erase local data and usually resolves deep system registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.